So where we go now?
Chinatown.
We go to Chinatown?
This is already Chinatown.
Ah, so let's go. Oh my gosh.
You have to wait, it's super hot.
We can sit down. Wood. Bibiling ko kaya ito. Ay, buy.
It's big.
Bene, uno di qui e uno di là. Poi che scende questo signore attrezzato.
Sumakay kami diyan. Where we go? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My God. I have something in my hands. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Milan Center.
Look this. Look this.
What?
This.
Ah. Magpapapicture ako kay Luigi dun sa Dior. Yung famous Christmas tree ng Dior sa Emanuele. What is it? Eh. Here now, the Jollibee.
Have tail in Jollibee? Or today don't have tail?
Don't be
Have any more tail?
Jollibee. Hello po. Jollibee.
Like it's super
So,
cold in
nandito na
Pinas.
kami sa
super hot.
Jollibee.
Go. Trasporto.
Ay, yes.
Will I have something to disinfect my
Eh,
hands?
later. Yo. Are you happy with your peach mango pie?
Yeah, go to see. If it's the last time.
By Jollibee. Eh, again. Okay. Umorder lang kami ng peach mango pie dahil naglilihi. Naglilihi siya. Siya ang naglilihi, hindi ako. Gustong gusto niya yung peach mango pie. Sobrang init sa loob nung Jollibee. Kabaliktaran sa Pinas eh. Pagpunta natin sa loob, sobrang lamig yung gawa ng aircon. Kabaliktaran sa amin dahil winter ngayon. Heater ang nasa loob. Sobrang init. Habang nag-iintay.
Close, because it's super hot, so they stay hot.
So, tikman mo na yung peach mango pie. So, tinitikman niya na ang peach mango pie ng Jollibee. But you remember the
Ah,
you remember the peach mango pie there in Pinas, no? How is it?
I always eat cold, so
Ah.
this is smoky.
Umuusok pa daw. So how is it?
I don't even look here, even.
What? What? May mga kumakain din dito sa likod ko. Jollibee.
It's lava.
May mga foreign din na
My gosh, find me down.
iniisip ko mga Pilipino lang ang tatangkilik sa Jollibee. Marami din naman palang mga foreign nang tumatangkilik. Even Italian.
I don't remember. This I feel a lot the oil,
So it's no good.
and I feel the peach is the peach in can.
No?
You know, with the water.
Okay, yay! Woo!
It's raining.
My love, look at this. Go here. We do here. We do 360 the video. You and me with this background. Ang daming tao.
Heel gezellig. Top tahini met ramen op de net. Ja,
Ba yan? Daming tao. Paano tayo makakapag-posing? Ay! Ay! Wait lang. Naiputan pa yung jacket ni G ng mga ibon. Ay, you know ipot? Ipot is a poop of the bird. Ipot. So, I tell to them. Eh. But we never go inside. I can't.
You can. Just everything. You think this is rich people?
Yeah, but sometimes, oh no, most of the time, the employees of that branded, thing, they discriminate us.
He gets splashed with yellow paint everywhere.
Here, now.
Careful your step.
So, ito na yung ito yung famous ngayon dito sa Milan, yung Christmas tree ng Dior. Gucci pala, guys. I always tell to them, Dior, it's Gucci.
In front of Dior.
Ah, in front of Dior.
Prada, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Dior, and Gucci is back there.
May love, let's go to the Louis Vuitton store. I would just want, even just outside.
This is Swarovski.
I know the Swarovski. Ito na yung mga ito na yung mga tao. I wanted to do a video with them. Lucky dito pag nagkaganito pa. Yung butas na yan, pag ginawa mong ganyan, lucky daw. Ilang beses na ako nagaganyan eh. Nandito naman tayo sa kabilang side. Ito yung famous nila dito. So, dito
Ada roti goreng terkenal. Sampingnya ada coklat Italiana terkenal. Oke, kita lanjut dulu. Nanti pas bebas Bapak Ibu boleh masuk
Prada.
foto dimanapun. Biar cepet punya waktu bebas.
So, meron diyang Dior. So, Louis Vuitton. My love, I'm here. Nandito yung Prada.
Mam ikut sana dulu, Mam.
Ayo.
Fendi. So, ito yung Louis Vuitton. Nahiya akong pumasok. Baka hindi tayo papasukin. Nandito kami sa Louis Vuitton. Nakapasok.
You cannot.
Hindi ako makapag-video ng ayos kasi bawal. First time kong makapasok sa Louis Vuitton. Pero hindi namin alam yung price.
Devo arrivi in the street.
Ha?
In the quadrilatero della moda. For sure.
To the street.
Go now. You know, in the street, quadrilatero della moda.
What is it? We go now. We go outside. So, galing kami dito sa Louis Vuitton. Ano lang, parang normal lang na pagpasok namin. Hindi naman kami tiningnan ng mula ulo hanggang paa. Yang nahihiya kasi akong pumasok sa mga ganyang luxury goods. Yung mga luxury na mga items. Kasi hindi ka naman bibili. Tapos i-discriminate ka pa nila. Dito naman, wala naman akong na-experience sa pagpasok sa Louis Vuitton. So let's go home now. First time ko makapasok. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video sa loob kasi baka akong masikahin.
Se la deve tirare, ma vai a casa.
So malolobat na ako. Wala na.
I already did the picture. Here's nothing happened. You need just one moment to happen. You understand?
So lobat na ang aking GoPro.
This you talk with someone that
What is it? About?
he's like this, but he talking with someone.
Mila, go near with me. I wanted to do a video with here. Now I'm afraid. So may mga market dito. Sa side ng Domo, yung katedral. Yung mga bilihan ng pagkain.
Pero,
Kami ay uuwi na. Masaya na ako kasi nakapasok na ako sa Louis Vuitton. Ayun yung gold. Ayun, kitang-kita yung gold. My love, it's better we go in the front.
No, because in front you don't see. You have to go in front a lot.
Nakapasok ako sa Louis Vuitton. Bit-bit yung binili ko sa Chinatown. Hindi naman kami diniscriminate.
The famous.
These
These
the
are not the
store.
famous.
What famous? Wait lang. So famous daw to.
Yung pansyawan.
What is inside? Is panino?
Empanada. Something like that.
Ah, empanada. Itong bike na to, pwede mo siyang i-rent. I-rent mo siya. Parang ano, parang sa Holland, sa Netherlands. Meron silang ganito din.
Ah, no.
Eh, hindi naman ako masyadong magaling magano. Ah, here now again. My love again. Di like a Christmas tree, but it's a box.
Look, we are here now. That's a Scala.
Eh,
Apple is in the other
what is
side.
it, Leonardo? What is it? Da Vinci? What is it? Is
This street of before.
Di? Ah!
We're in the back.
I never knew. Nasa likod pala kami nung ano, yung,
Look, the Gucci before.
yeah.
We do just the round.
Ah, but we never went here, so it's my first time. So, nasa likod kami nung, ano, nung Emanuele.
This is safer.
Yeah, wait lang.
I don't do the picture to the bank, but do to the theater, most famous in the world.
Yeah, wait lang.
Not to the bank, to the theater, more famous, the Scala.
Ah.
Not to the bank, to the
Eh, but
theater.
I never,
But this is the
I
most
never see
famous.
this bangka.
This is just in Intesa San Paolo. And this is Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci? This? Ha?
Yes.
Ah, wait lang.
Here it will show.
Here no, here. So, ito pa. So, iikot ko na lang kayo guys, ha? Si Leonardo da Vinci.
This is Teatro alla Scala.
Ah, the theater.
When you go to the first, you know the first, the prima.
So, this is theater thing.
It's not just a theater, they do dance, lyric.
Ah, it's a theater,
When
my
they
love.
have the first, you know the
What is
first,
the first?
the first of the year,
Oh.
a lot of people here with the famous, with the police, with the limousine, with the red carpet.
Eh. I love. Eh? Via Bernina. Left or right? Left or right? Ah, okay. Nakalimutan ko na mag-update. Nandito na pala kami sa sasakyan. Ilang beses kami sumakay ng tram. Papauwi na kami. Nakain ko na din yung peach mango. May peach mango pie. Hindi ako masyado nasarapan. Pero hindi ko matandaan kung ano yung lasa ng peach mango pie sa Jollibee sa Pinas. Kasi hindi ko naman siya usually ino-order. Pero yung yung pagkapay niya gusto ko. Pero yung loob hindi. Parang tama nga si Jay, yung nasa syrup lang. Yung nasa lata lang. So, uuwi na kami. Babay na sa inyo. Salamat sa pagsama. Busy siya. Thank you for watching. Please like and
Wait lang, my love. It's Milan. Bye-bye.
And subscribe. Bye-bye na. Angry bird siya. Bird!
It's not Angry Bird.
Okay, bye-bye!